morning, boys and girls. Our reading lesson today is going to be in two different videos. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the 5 important parts of a friendly letter. And a letter should have all of these 5 parts. So I just want to let you know that what you see in red is the name of that part. You don't have to write that when you're writing your friendly letter. I just put that there so you would get familiar with the names of the parts of the letter. So at the top, on our first tippity top line, always goes the date. It says April 16th, 2020. And this word in red says date. The date is important to have there because when you send a letter, if you send it through the mail, it might take a few days to get to the person that it's going to. So it's always good for them to know when you wrote the letter. The second part of our friendly letter is called a greeting. A greeting is when you say hello to somebody or you are telling who the letter is being written to. So here it says dear, and then we have a line which means blank. You would fill that in. Dear Mom with a comma. Or maybe you put dear sister. Maybe you put dear teacher. So this is where you would put who you're writing your letter to. The body of the letter is basically everything that you want to write to the person. Maybe you want to ask some questions. Maybe you want to tell them something that happened, a special event. The body of the letter is where you would do all that. The end of the letter is called the closing. The word from is a closing. You can also use love, like we do in our friendly letters on our board, on our morning message. You could use goodbye. You could say your friend. Those are some different, there's many different closings that you could use. And the last part is signature. Signature is basically your name. This says Miss Crow, of course, because that's my name. So it's called a signature, your name. So these are the 5 parts of a friendly letter. You must have a date. You must have a greeting. You must have a body. You must have a closing. And you must have a signature in order to have a friendly letter. See you soon.